First, power on the remote controller and aircraft, and connect the remote controller to the mobile device with a USB cable. Install and launch DJI Go 4. An activation prompt will pop up automatically. Tap Next. Read the terms of use carefully. After the activation process starts, name your Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. You can change the name later in the app. Choose a control mode. The default control mode is Mode 2. Tap Continue and set the customizable buttons. You can customize the C1 and C2 buttons on the back of the remote controller. Then, select your desired measurement system and video standard. Next, select whether or not you'd like to use beginner mode. In beginner mode, the drone will not take off without a strong GPS signal, and the flight's altitude and radius are limited to 30 meters. Then, confirm your account's email address. Tap Activate. Please note that the account that you use to activate your Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 cannot be changed later. The aircraft's information will be bound to your account permanently, and your account will serve as proof of warranty if you need after-sales service. Before your first flight, you can practice your flying skills with the flight simulator. Leave us a like if this video was useful for you. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.